What is up, guys? The truth is, the current advertising system, it's broken. Customers are inundated with ads, creators are starved for resources, and at the end of the day, advertisers are paying a fortune for data that really is just garbage, and most people don't want to see the advertisements that they're getting served. So how do we fix this problem? Enter Basic Attention Token and the Brave browser. We're talking about that today on the first ever Token Talk Tuesday. Let's hash it out. But I wanted to tell you what's going on with this video today. This is the first of many things that I like to call Token Talk Tuesday, where every single Tuesday I post a video, maybe even two, about a cryptocurrency token or platform that you guys need to know about. And I will tell you what it is, what it isn't, what's good about it, why you should care, and I will also tell you whether or not I think you should invest your hard-earned money in that platform. So with that, boom, let's go ahead and get started. So this is one of the projects that I am most stoked about and one of the things that I am a big fan of, so I figured it'd be great for the first ever Token Talk Tuesday. Basic Attention Token is built by actually two people that are very influential folks themselves. The first creator of Basic Attention Token and the Brave browser is none other than the creator of JavaScript, the language that runs the internet today. So if you've been interacting with a responsive web application, you've used JavaScript. That's a pretty good pedigree. And second of all, the co-creator here in Brave browser and Basic Attention Token is the creator or the co-creator of Mozilla Firefox, the very highly used browser that's been around for a long time. And as you know, you may be watching this video on Firefox, so that's also pretty cool. So what is Basic Attention Token? More or less, it is an ERC20 token, and if you don't know what an ERC20 token is, that is totally fine. I will link a video up here in the card about the ERC20 standard, but what that means is it's an Ethereum-based token that meets the ERC20 standards for token transfer and exchange on the Ethereum protocol. Now, the Basic Attention Token is a utility token that's really measured by the user's time and attention to a given piece of content. And when I say utility token, that really is quite literally what it means, a utility. It's a measure of a certain utility. So in this case, it's time and attention, but that could also be a measure of the amount of gas you used or the amount of time your lights are on. That is a utility token. So how does Basic Attention Token work and what is it for? At the end of the day, Basic Attention Token, like I said before, is a measure of the person's time and attention on a given piece of content. So what you may be thinking now is probably correct. Basic Attention Token is something that you can pay creators with as you pay attention to their content. So as you're watching this video, if you were using the Brave browser and the Basic Attention Token platform, you could be paying me by watching my content. So as you watch my content, you will be giving me Basic Attention Tokens as you pay time and attention to my video. If you wanted to get involved with the Brave browser and Basic Attention Tokens and use the actual minimum viable product that they have out on the market today, all you have to do is download the Brave browser, which I actually use on a day-to-day basis. So I'm going to show that to you here. The Brave browser is the main conduit for all of the functionality of the Basic Attention Token itself. And what the Brave browser is it's an anti-tracking, ad-blocking browser that is super fast, super robust, and super easy to use, just like any other browser you'd use anywhere else. So when you download the Brave browser, I'm going to show this to you here, install it, you create an account, and you can start anonymously surfing the web. So that's one thing to note here. This is an anonymous browser. So nowadays, if you're getting ads served to you, it's because they know your name, they know where you live, they know a lot of things about you, and you're getting targeted ads. But the difference here is you're getting targeted ads on Brave browser, but it's completely anonymous. Yes, they know your web traffic, but there's nothing tying it to your identity, and that is a crucial point. So Brave browser does track what you look at, obviously with your permission, but that data is not connected to your identity. Really, it just helps the browser serve you far fewer but more targeted ads that you want to see. Now, everyone's probably thinking, well, I don't want to see any ads. At the end of the day, let me explain it to you. This will make a lot of sense when you see the little microeconomy that Brave Browser and Basic Attention Token builds. So what happens is, essentially, users can choose to, you have the option to view targeted ads given by advertisers on this platform. So you watch those ads and in return, you get Basic Attention Tokens. With those Basic Attention Tokens, you can use those to view premium content and paywalled content. For example, if you wanted to go on YouTube, instead of watching ads and ruining the user experience, the users could just watch my content without any ads or interruptions. And along the way, they could donate Basic Attention Tokens to me on top of the amount that goes to me from them watching my video, giving me the time and attention. And then conversely, there are other ways that users can earn Basic Attention Tokens through different advertising strategies. Like maybe you take a survey and you get Basic Attention Tokens. Maybe you watch a video. Maybe you go to a web page. There are so many different ways. And so you can see how this little microeconomy forms. Users and customers view ads voluntarily that are targeted to them, and they have complete choice about doing so. And by doing that, they get Basic Attention Tokens, which then they can use to pay creators, and they can use to reward creators for the amazing content that they put out. So I think that this is a great revolutionary idea for using the web technology we already have, like the YouTubes and etc., and making the business model work again. Because you know there's been so much drama about AdSense and profitability of ads and how horrible of a user experience it creates when ads just popping up everywhere. I think Brave Browser could be a solution to that. Why should you care? Why am I so stoked about Brave Browser? And really that's because there's already a product in place. This system already works. You can already download a full-fledged browser that's also great to use. If you just download Brave Browser and you just use that as your daily driver browser, I say go for it because it's great. I love Chrome, obviously lots of people love Chrome, but it's a power hog. If I'm editing videos on my computer, you can see it back there. If I'm editing videos on my computer and I'm running Chrome, it slows things down. It's that power hungry. Brave Browser is great and it's not as resource hungry. Now, really 11,000 creators are already using Brave Browser as a content creation platform. They're already involved in the ecosystem. And beyond that, there are 2 million active users using Brave Browser and Basic Attention Token in general. Now, that's not that much considering the huge user bases that there are externally on platforms like YouTube, platforms like just a greater internet, like on Google, people viewing ads. But that's pretty solid for something that's in an MVP state. Now, take that with a grain of salt because obviously this is not a guarantee the platform's gonna work out. But I do believe in it. I do believe in it. Just like we thought back in the early 2000s that YouTube could never be profitable using, ad revenue on videos and doing promoted videos. And now it's a huge source of revenue both for the company and for creators every single day. I think Brave Browser and Basic Attention Token, either with the help of platforms like YouTube and others, or without them and creating a whole new platform, I think this could be very successful and have another generational leap in the advertiser, customer, and content creator relationship, sort of that trifecta of different entities on the internet. Now, the thing you guys have probably been waiting the entire video to hear, and let me know in the comments below if you want me to change the format of these Token Talk Tuesdays because I want them to suit you. I want you to enjoy them and you to be happy with them. So please let me know how I can improve in the comments below. Should you invest in Basic Attention Token? My answer is definitely yes. I believe a long-term investment in Basic Attention Token is a smart idea. If nothing else, it allows you to be one of the first people to participate in this protocol and in this platform. I think it's fantastic. I'm looking forward to potentially doing some content on Brave Browser. And let me know guys in the comments below as well if you would like me to do some videos and live streams exclusively on Brave Browser for those of you who are already using it or those who are gonna check it out. I've linked all that in the description below, so please do check that out. Thank you guys very much for joining me on this Token Talk Tuesday, the first one. And I actually created 2 today so that you guys can check that out. So check out these videos here. You'll see a new Token Talk Tuesday and a little playlist of videos that I think you will really like. Thanks very much. Cheers.